you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris and I'm back. I've got a food pantry haul for you because it's New Video Tuesday. We're going to start with food cans galore. Yes, from the left to the right. Okay. We've got some mixed vegetables. These are right on time for soup season. That's right. I'm going to show you guys several soups. I put mixed vegetables in almost all my soups, especially my chicken soup, my bean soup, of course, and my vegetable soup. I've got 2 cans of mixed veggies. Then I've got a can of light red kidney beans. That's also good for soups. And some black beans. You've seen my black bean soup, but have you seen my all bean soup? No, you haven't. And I've got 2 cans of corn. I love putting corn in my soup. I make corn chowder. We should do that. What do you think, nieces and nephews? Corn chowder? Yeah. Okay, doggies, down in front. They want to be special over there. We've got some low sodium spinach. Oh, cream of spinach, that would be good. We've also got collard greens. Did you know you can make a collard green soup? Yes, you can. We've got 2 cans of no salt added green beans. I love these for casseroles as well, but I do put them in my soup. I've got some tomato sauce, low sodium. Also some diced tomatoes, 2 cans of that. And we've got some refried beans. Ooh, that's nice. Excuse me. I do make a bean soup. Yes, I do. I make a black bean soup, and I can mix these with it too. And we make like a tortilla type soup. It's good. Then we've got 2 cans of pink salmon. Oh, that is so good. We've got 2 cans of sliced yellow clean peaches. I was thinking I could make a peach cobbler for 1. That would be cool to go with our meals for 1. Yeah. Then we've got some cranberries. You know I'm going to say that for the holidays. Some sweet peas. And 2 cans of vegetable soup. Now, I use these as my soup starter. Yes. Tomato soup, chicken soup, all kinds of like baked bean soup, bacon and bean soup. You can use that for your base. Then let's jump over here. Yes, I'm doing my dishes. Don't judge me. I've got some plums. Oh, yeah. I've got some celery, which of course is going to go in the soup. Celery adds a wonderful flavor and adds a salty taste without adding salt. I bet you didn't know that. Shh, it's a secret. All right, we've got some elbow macaroni. Oh, of course, where's it going to go in? The soup. Yeah, of course. Look, long grain white rice. If you haven't had chicken rice soup, you're missing out. Then we've got some oatmeal. That's great. 2 bags of that. I've got some low-fat dried milk. I love this stuff because you can flavor it and make it all kind of ways. Then we've got 2% milk, ½ gallon, and that liquid gold eggs. You know what's funny? When you get eggs from the food pantry, they're never broken. Did you notice that? But in the store, it's another story. Now we got some buns, assorted. Oh, I love this. The mixed rolls. These would be great for sandwiches. Oh, I can't wait. Then we have a Danish strawberry cheesecake. Oh, yeah. No, I'm not going to eat the whole thing by myself. I'm going to be a good boy. Yes, I'm going to be good. All right. We've got some frozen chicken. Oh, ground chicken. Ooh. I could make a chicken soup with that. With the like a cream soup. Yes, that would be so good. Or maybe I could do my chicken and rice dish. It's a creamy dish and it is so good. Then I've got some catfish nuggets. You know what? You can use these in a seafood soup, a gumbo. Yes, you can. Or you can just fry them up. Then last but not least, a jar of peanut butter. Now, did you know? This is going to throw some of you for a loop. There's such a thing as peanut butter soup. Yes, there is. I don't really care for it, but there's such a thing. Now we're going to take a look at everything we got. And all these canned goods. This is a true blessing. I'm going to make some dishes for you guys so you can see some meals for one or meals for many. You decide. You tell me what to pick. Nieces and nephews, I've got canned goods for days. So I'm stocking up for the winter because it's going to be a cold winter. And I suggest you do the same thing. Now, we're going to make some soups that you're going to love. Some nice comfort, wonderful soups that are going to be good for you and low in sodium. I'm also going to start some diabetic meals. And I've got some spooky treats coming up for Halloween. And I'm going to show you a tour of the house because I've got a big surprise about that. But I don't want to spoil that surprise just yet. All right. Okay. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. If you're in need of food, please, I don't know how many times I can say this, write to me. I'm very serious about this. Let me know if you're in need. Please let me know at Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com, or if you just need someone to talk to. Now, I want everyone, please, I need your prayers once again for Joe. He's having a pacemaker put in, and we want everything to go for the best, okay? So if you could please, I get a little emotional, just offer up some prayers for him because I do care about everybody out there. I really do. So, all right. I'm sorry. Till next time, big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got